In this part of the lesson, we go deeper and look at the subtypes behind each data type used in Excel and VBA. These subtypes determine how precise a value can be, how much memory it uses, and what range of numbers it can represent. We start with the numeric subtypes for whole numbers. The smallest one is Byte, which stores values from 0 to 255, and is extremely fast, but very limited. Then we have integer, which can hold values up to 32,000 in both positive and negative directions. Above that is long, the most commonly used whole number subtype in VBA, with a range that extends to over 2 billion. There is also LongLong, available only in the 64-bit version of Office, which can hold even larger integer values, and a pointer-sized integer whose size depends on whether the system is 32 or 64-bit. It is mainly used when VBA interacts directly with system memory. Next, we move to floating point numbers. There are two subtypes here, single and double. A single number stores about 7 digits of precision and is fast but less accurate. A double, on the other hand, provides around 15 digits of precision and is the default choice for most calculations where accuracy matters, including scientific and financial operations. Then we have the currency-related subtypes. The currency subtype is stored with a fixed precision of 4 decimal places, which makes it ideal for financial calculations that require stability and predictable rounding. The decimal subtype can store numbers with up to 28 digits of precision, but it is only available when used inside a variant, meaning it is not declared directly in VBA, but created indirectly when needed. The next subtype is date. Even though it looks like a date or a time value, Excel actually stores it as a floating point number, where the whole number represents the date and the decimal fraction represents the time. This approach allows date and time values to be compared and calculated just like regular numbers. After that comes Boolean, which is the simplest subtype. It can only be true or false. Despite being simple, it is extremely important for controlling program logic, filtering data, and making decisions inside macros. Finally, we reach the subtypes related to text. The string type can exist in two forms. The first is variable length text, which can expand up to 2 billion characters and is used in almost all practical scenarios. The second is fixed length text, which always reserves the exact amount of memory specified in advance. Although used rarely, fixed-length strings can be important in specialized situations where memory usage or performance must be tightly controlled. To sum up this part of the lesson, every main data type comes with its own set of subtypes, each designed for different ranges, different levels of precision, and different use cases. Knowing how these subtypes behave gives you more control over your code, makes your macros faster and more reliable, and helps you avoid errors caused by choosing the wrong type. When you understand how data is actually stored and processed, Excel and VBA become far more predictable and powerful tools.